Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and this week I'm going to be planning the week of October 5th through the 11th, almost of the 12th, through the 11th, and this is the last week of my son being home for virtual school. He will be going face-to-face now that my husband is back at work pretty much full-time, and it's just not realistic for me to be able to help him with virtual school while I'm still working from home during the day and still very busy. So this is going to be an interesting week. I don't know who his teacher is yet or any sort of specifics, just know the schedule and that's about it. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting week. To plan this week, I'm using a weekly kit from the This Is Us collaboration with a bunch of different shop owners within the planner community and Paper House Productions. So this week I'm using a kit from Jamison Reid Designs, and this is kind of a fall kit, and when I picked it out ages ago when I got it, I felt like it was very representative of fall, which was what attracted me to it, with the colors and everything like that, the gold foil. And I've purchased from Jamison Reid Designs before, and I really like her stickers. I feel like she's always been pretty representative with her stickers, and I'm pretty sure all of these illustrations are her own, which I really enjoy that they're original artwork. And she's got a very sophisticated kind of style. All of her kits are kind of fashiony and all that kind of stuff, so I was excited to see that I could get a sticker kit in Michael's from her through this collab. So I will be using this sticker kit to plan this week. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and let's get started. There are no date covers in this kit, so to start, I'm just gonna go ahead and lay down a bunch of functional stickers. I've got notes over here. I'm actually not using my rose-colored days sticky note this week. I'm using a notepad from Cloth and Paper, which I've been loving, so that is what I have for my notes this week. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay down a bunch of functional stickers and get the things that I know I have going on the schedule. So initial feedback on this kit is that this doesn't have nearly as many functional stickers as I'm used to getting in the weekly kits that come in these Michael collaborations. So I know I've mentioned with the Capital Chic Design ones that I've used in the past, there's a lot of functional stickers. This one is definitely more pared down, and it may be because that's what Paper House Productions wanted to do. I'm not quite sure. So that's one piece of feedback that I have for it so far, that I wish there were more functional stickers. Of course, I'm really big on the functional stickers, but I know not everybody else is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in full box stickers. I don't have a ton going on this week, so I don't foresee there being a lot to add or change about this week, and so I'm just gonna go and commit. I've got my full boxes down. I do need to go ahead and put some other stickers in here, like our meal plan for the week, and I'll put my husband's schedule on here as well. That's really crooked, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do much about that. Alright, so went ahead and got the whole sidebar done, put what I do know for our meal plan so far, what I know on the meal plan sticker or weekly sticker. I always consider the weekly sticker a meal plan sticker, but you can use it for workouts and that sort of stuff. I've definitely used it for workouts before. You can use it for a schedule, anything like that. I used this checklist sticker that she had and turned it into my husband's schedule for this week because he's back to working several days a week, and so there actually were enough days on this tracker for his schedule. And then this habit tracker, checklist sticker, and then this is a habit tracker, and I'm doing a fitness and health challenge right now, so I have to track my progress every single day, and so I put a habit tracker for that into my weekly. So is there anything else that I need to, oh, I have some videos that I want to publish this week, so I need to go ahead and put something down to remind me about those. So all of that is done, so full boxes are down, functional stickers, and all of the little labels on those various pieces. So now what I need to do is go in and put some washi, and this does come with washi, so I need to decide if I want to use a washi or if I want to use something else. So let me see. Kind of leaning toward this one because it isn't as dark as this floral here, but it still complements this kind of burgundy pattern. I like how that looks. I think it helps brighten up the spread a little bit. And I think I'm just gonna not put it on this part because I put this sticker here and kind of just see how the rest of the week goes, because I do have these other decorative stickers that I could go ahead and put in here, and I'm just not sure what I want to do yet. I don't have to put all the stickers down right away. So that is it for everything that I have in here, and let me grab my agenda and put this in so you can see what it looks like. So of course this was last week, and you can go back and watch that plan with me if you missed it. Love this spread. This may end up being one of my favorite spreads of the year. And then we come to this week. So this is how it looks in the agenda. This is another kit that in a very different way complements the brown of the cloth and paper agenda. So this one kind of makes it a little bit more balanced because it's a light color, but you can still get those warm tones in here. And then this one is obviously much deeper on the warm tones, so I think this one looks really good in the planner too. That is it for this plan with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, thank you for being here and for watching. If you would like to subscribe, you can click the button below, and be sure to turn on notifications so you know when my newest video goes up. I try to post videos every single Tuesday and on Fridays when I have time. I am anticipating a video out this Friday. I was supposed to get one out this last Friday, but life got crazy with work and other responsibilities, so I wasn't able to, but that video did go up on Sunday evening, so you're welcome to go back and check it out. It's a plum paper plan with me, kind of showing how I'm using the plum paper planner to memory plan, so be sure to check that out. And if you're one of my long-term viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for coming back all the time. I appreciate all of you. I hope you have a lovely week.